Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are safe in your home. In today's video, I am going to share with you best 50 tank mates for your betta fish. In this video, I did category of aquarium fishes, so it will very easy to understand about 50 tank mates for betta fish. So guys, without any wasting time, let's begin the video. Guys, my first category for betta fish tank mates, the category name is tetra. In this category I add 16 varieties of tetra fish. So I am starting now. First is cardinal tetra, and then second is neon tetra. These are two fishes are very famous in aquarium fish hobby. Then black neon tetra, Raminos tetra, amber tetra, diamond tetra, glow light tetra, silver strip tetra, gold tetra, blue tetra, red eye tetra, penguin tetra, dawn tetra, green neon tetra, Colombian tetra, and last one is head and tail light tetra. These are all 16 tetra fish are very compatible with your betta fish. Second category of loches fishes. In this category I add 5 varieties of loches fish for your betta fish tank mates. In loches categories, yo-yo loches, then clown loches, then coolie loches, then unity loches, and zebra loches. These are all 5 loches you can keep with your betta fish very peacefully. Third category of pleco fishes. In pleco fish category I add 4 pleco fish for betta fish tank mates. So guys, first is Bristol nose pleco, then snowball pleco, candy strip pleco, and then clown pleco. These are 4 pleco varieties you can keep with your betta fish very peacefully. My fourth category of cory fishes. I add in this category 3 types of cory fishes for betta fish tank mates. So first is panda cory, then pygmy cory, then albino cory. These are 3 types of cory catfish you can keep with your betta fish very comfortably. And then guys, my fifth category of rasbora fishes. In this rasbora fishes I add 4 types of rasbora fishes for betta fish tank mates. First is guys harlequin rasbora, then mosquito rasbora, then fire rasbora, and last one is black line rasbora. These are 4 varieties of rasbora you can keep with your betta fish very peacefully. Guys, my sixth category of live bearer fishes. Live bearer fishes are also very popular in aquarium fish hobby, and in this live bearer fishes I add 4 types of live bearer fishes for betta fish tank mates. My first tank mates is antler guppy, then female guppy, and then platy fish, and then last one is short fin molly fish. Guys, my 7th category of snails. In this category I add 3 types of snail. It's mystery snail, then nerite snails, and then Malaysian trumpet snail. These are 3 types of snails you can keep with your betta fish very peacefully. In 8th category I add 5 types of aquarium shrimps. In this shrimps category, first is red cherry shrimps, and then ghost shrimps, then amano shrimps, and snowball shrimp, and bamboo shrimp. These are 5 types of shrimps you can keep with your betta fish very peacefully. And 9th category of catfishes. In these catfishes I add 2 types of catfishes. First is Otocinclus catfish and other is glass catfish. These are 2 catfishes you can keep with your betta fish very peacefully. Guys, my last and 10th category of I add in this category mixed variety of fishes. In this mixed variety of fishes I add 4 types of fishes. First is celestial pearl dinos, second is cherry buff fish, and then white cloud mountain minnows. Last one is guys African drop frog. So guys, this was my video on best 50 betta fish tank mates. I hope you like and enjoy. Make sure guys, keep these things in your mind. Should avoid long fin fish, with your betta fish, because betta fish become sometime nipper fish. So that's why I am telling you again guys, you should avoid long fin fish with your betta fish. So guys, I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you are new, so please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell icon. I am uploading this type of video on the regular basis. So guys, take care everyone, and bye.